Wabtec uses cutting-edge technology to assemble door panels for high-speed trains. Wabtec has supplied over 1 million in-service doors worldwide. The combination of human expertise in automation improves safety, quality, efficiency, and throughput time. One-piece flow lines build quality control into every step of the process. In this video, we take you through the steps of making our service-proven door panels that clients such as SNCF and Deutsche Bahn rely on. First, Wabtec treats its sheet metal to prepare the surface before bonding and painting to prevent corrosion on the finished door panel. Conducting this process internally increases efficiency, adding value to the entire process. Next, a bonding robot mixes the adhesive using a static mixer and pump, ensuring repeatable precise ratios and eliminates the potential inconsistencies of hand mixing. The robot begins depositing the adhesive onto the door panel. The precision of the robot has enabled Wabtec to certify its entire process to ISO 6701. The robot's accurate dosing limits operators' exposure to potential irritants in the adhesive. Product traceability is possible thanks to a digitalized follow-up at each stage of the assembly. The combined work of the robot and operators in the previous steps ensure assembly is successful. The operators put pillars and foam into the frame. This insulation regulates temperature and decreases noise, both in the interest of passenger comfort. Next, they add the transom over top. The operators place the assembled door into a heating conformer that subjects it to high pressure for 1 hour. This curing ensures it is fully sealed. After 1 hour, the shape of the panel is checked using a jig or conformer to ensure it's standard. Multiple painting robots ensure control and repeatability. Its pump precisely mixes the paint's base, solvent and clear coat. One robot applies primer and filler, while a second applies a base and clear coat. Paint type is customized to client specifications. Water-soluble paint, a sustainable option, is sensitive to the surrounding environment. Thanks to Wabtec's technology and expertise, our teams can control every aspect of the process, from humidity and temperature to layer thickness, color and brightness. Once painted, the door panel is dressed using bio-component adhesive. The window glass is fitted in place, a button is wired in, and the door is complete after an electrical test and visual inspection. Our eco-conscious practices create high-quality products built to last. Let's build your next project with Wabtec.